Hello everyone, this is Tyler Krompiatek from COLI at Canisius. In this video we will show how to quickly set up new rules for emails coming to your desktop Outlook inbox. This can be a good way to organize your emails quickly and efficiently. First step, identify an email that you get a lot of. Perhaps it's from a colleague or notifications from an online service. In my case, I get monthly reports from Panopto. Next, right-click on your email address in the left-hand sidebar and choose New Folder. Give that folder a name. In my case, I will name mine Monthly Panopto Reports. Then find the email in your inbox, or wait for it to come in. Right-click on it, and in the menu that appears, go to Rules, Create Rules. Set up the conditions of the rule. You can set it up so that any emails from the sender activates the rule, only emails with certain words in the subject activate the rule, and more. In my case, I will select From Panopto and Subject Contains. However, I'm going to edit mine a bit so that Subject Contains says Panopto Report Ready. From there, I need to tell Outlook what to do if both conditions are met. For me, I will choose Play a Selected Sound and leave it on the default sound, and also move the email to a selected folder. Then I will select the appropriate folder. Then finish up by clicking on OK. You will get a pop-up saying that the rule is activated with a few other details as well. If you want to run the rule now, make sure you click the checkbox to the left of Run this rule now on messages already in the current folder. Then click on OK. In general, whenever an email meets these conditions, the rule will activate automatically. However, in some cases, you must have the desktop Outlook open for the rules to be active. For example, if you want Outlook to play a sound like I did, the application will need to be open. Otherwise, if you get the email when the desktop Outlook app is not open, it will wait until it is open again to run the rule. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.